Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into event planning and organization. Whether you're planning a small party or a large corporate event, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome common event planning challenges and achieve your goals with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on event planning and organization. Understanding event planning and organization is crucial for hosting successful events. Many people struggle with managing the details, coordinating logistics, and ensuring everything runs smoothly. For instance, studies show that well-planned events are more likely to meet their objectives and provide a positive experience for attendees. By focusing on event planning, you can create memorable experiences and achieve your event goals efficiently. Event planning and organization aren't just about making a checklist. They're about creating a comprehensive plan that covers all aspects of the event. For example, a friend of mine once organized a corporate event without a detailed plan and faced numerous issues, from miscommunication with vendors to scheduling conflicts. After learning proper event planning techniques, they were able to host seamless and successful events, earning accolades from their peers and clients. 8 essential tips for event planning and organization. Tip 1. Define your event objectives. This tip helps you set a clear direction for your event. For example, outline the main goals such as increasing brand awareness, fundraising, or celebrating a milestone. Clear objectives provide a roadmap for the planning process. Tip 2. Develop a detailed event plan. Implementing this will ensure you cover all aspects of the event. It's particularly useful for organizing tasks, timelines, and responsibilities. For instance, create an event plan that includes a detailed timeline, task list, budget, and contact information for all stakeholders. Tip 3. Create an event budget. Here's why this is important for managing your finances effectively. Consider how it can help you allocate funds for different aspects of the event, such as venue, catering, and entertainment. For example, break down your budget into categories and track expenses to stay within budget. Tip 4. Select the right venue. This approach helps you choose a venue that fits your event's needs and goals. By using this strategy, you can ensure the venue is suitable for the number of attendees, location, and amenities required. Visit potential venues to assess their suitability. Tip 5. Plan your event logistics. By applying this, you can coordinate all the logistical details. Think of it as a way to ensure everything runs smoothly on the day of the event. For example, arrange for transportation, equipment rentals, and staffing needs well in advance. Tip 6. Promote your event effectively. This tip will assist you in attracting attendees and creating buzz. An example of this could be using social media, email marketing, and partnerships to promote your event. Create a marketing plan that outlines your promotional strategies and timelines. Tip 7. Coordinate with vendors and suppliers. It's crucial for ensuring that all external services are aligned with your event plan. This method can help you manage relationships with caterers, decorators, and entertainers. For example, communicate regularly with vendors to confirm details and address any issues. Tip 8. Prepare for the unexpected. Incorporating this will help you handle any unforeseen issues that arise. This technique is great for building flexibility into your plan. For instance, have a backup plan for key elements like outdoor events, equipment failures, or last-minute cancellations. Section 3. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best tips, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include last-minute changes, budget constraints, and miscommunication. For example, a sudden change in weather can impact an outdoor event. To tackle these, consider having contingency plans and maintaining open communication with your team. Addressing these issues head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and achieve your event goals more effectively. Last-minute changes often require quick thinking and flexibility. To combat this, create a detailed run sheet with contingency plans for critical elements. Budget constraints can also be challenging. Prioritize spending on key areas and look for cost-saving opportunities. Miscommunication can lead to confusion and errors. Establish clear communication protocols and use tools like project management software to keep everyone informed. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Event planning and organization. 1. Define your event objectives. Outline the main goals of your event. 2. Develop a detailed event plan. Create a timeline, task list, budget, and contact information. 3. Create an event budget. Allocate funds and track expenses. 4. Select the right venue. Choose a venue that fits your event's needs. 5. Plan your event logistics. Coordinate transportation, equipment rentals, and staffing. 6. Promote your event effectively. Use social media, email marketing, and partnerships. 7. Coordinate with vendors and suppliers. Communicate regularly to confirm details. 8. Prepare for the unexpected. Have contingency plans for key elements. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that event planning and organization is all about creating a comprehensive plan that covers all aspects of your event. Incorporate these tips into your planning process to see real improvements in your event management and success rates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.